What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And man, the car is finally tuned. I'm finally able to start filming regular videos and not stuck in my garage fixing one thing after another, tuning and all that crap. It's tuned, and yes, the dyno tune will be coming down the road by the same guy. Hey guys, I had to do something real quick, but we are good now. I think my plan is I'm gonna go, that was a weird noise, but the plan is I'm gonna go to my girlfriend's work. There's this car wash I want to go to, but it only takes like, I don't even know if it takes dollars. I think it only takes change. But either way, I'm gonna grab a few dollars from her. Then I'm gonna of course pay her back. But yeah, I don't have any dollars or any of that, so yeah. So yeah, I don't know why car washes haven't upgraded to card, but some of them have. But around here, like in Maryland, a lot of the car washes in Maryland have them. But of course, up here in West Virginia, it's all old school, and none of them take card except for like one that I know of, which is in Martinsburg. And I don't feel like going through all that Martinsburg traffic, so screw that. So, alrighty guys, well, see you when we get there. But you know we gotta do that cold start. That is ridiculous. I feel bad for her neighbor somewhat. Believe it or not, I started my car up last night. It was like around 9 in the evening to go to Sheets. And they were over there playing basketball, and there was 2 girls over there, and I made one of them scream because that's how loud it was. So the cold start is definitely more brutal. So whew. Trying to get by, grab the cash, so I come back out. Silverado, and like no room to back up. So thank you, people. There are several parking spots to the left, but you just have to surround me. Yeah, you don't want the Gapplebees. I got the Boosty Boy now. Jesus. Anybody want some crispy Dodge back there? Man, that thing was freaking burnt up. Oh my god. Woo, but that thing was a crisp. Alrighty, we are at the car wash. This is like my OG car wash where I always took this car when I lived in the area. So I figured I'd pay to visit again, and yeah, it's been a little bit since I washed my car here, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and switch to the GoPro. So yeah, let's get to it. We can't stop, us together, we're better off, and we can. Better off, better off. Alright guys, she is all cleaned up. I filmed a little cinematic. I don't know how it's going to turn out. My slide bar camera equipment is acting up. It's like it wants to like get stuck and like jerk. So I don't know what's up with that. But it's just a Amazon cheapo, so what do you expect really? But I've got the car all cleaned up, and yes, I do need to get that bumper repainted. That is awful. Thanks to the guy that screwed me over on a paint job. He refuses to fix it, so yeah. This is her first wash since the Supercharger. Well, she's been through a drive-through car wash, but I mean like a full detail, like fully cleaning the wheels, shine up the tires. So this is her first full wash, and man, I haven't seen her this clean in a few weeks. So yeah, I still need to get some odds and ends done with the body work and fixing the bumper, but that'll all come along. But hey, that's when you guys can pitch in and you know, start buying some merch. I'm going to try to make a new design tonight. I don't know when it will be out, but I have a design idea in my mind right now, so I don't know when it will be out. But be sure to cop some merch, guys. That helps me out. It helps me get my car maintained. Helps me buy new camera equipment when it goes bad, like my little slider. So guys, you guys are technically helping me run this channel by buying merch, and that is actually cool to think about. So you guys really helped me out, and you're making the channel grow. So yeah, it's all on you guys. You guys are the best. You guys are what's making my dreams come true. My channel is growing pretty freaking well. It's not perfect right now, but I have faith in it right now. Almost to 2,000 subs already. So guys, we are at 1,500 subs. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new. Help me out. It means a bunch. It's free. It only takes 1 second. So yeah, guys, here she is, man. So video's not over yet. I'm gonna keep the camera with me. Whatever happens, happens. Find a couple spots to get some pictures, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, this is some random vlog until next weekend, because my friend Tyler, you know my friends Tyler and Lexi, they're on vacation right now, so they'll be back this week, and yeah, we'll get some good vlogs rolling in. And there's a big surprise coming this week also, and it involves my buddy Tyler, but that car wash is really loud. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. But like I said, big surprise coming very soon, guys. I just remembered in this area, if you guys, I'm sure a lot of you guys know who Lil Skies is, the rapper. He filmed a music video in this area, and you guys might recognize it just by seeing that sign. So yeah, he actually filmed a music video here. I'm not much into rap, as you guys probably know, but some of his music is alright, I'll listen to. But yeah, I never knew that he filmed a music video here, and I really never knew they lived up in like Waynesboro or something, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna snag a few pictures and probably make a TikTok. So if you guys haven't followed me on TikTok, it's ReaperGT. It's not hard to find at all. But yeah, I decided to stop here and get some pictures since he filmed a music video here. And yeah, I just never knew that. That's pretty wild. If you haven't seen the music video, but you know who he is, or you don't know who he is, look up Lil Skies and look up Lust. So yeah, that's his music video. He named his song after this gentleman's club, which is pretty. Jesus Christ, these motorcycles are obnoxious. Look up that music video and you'll see it. It has like 156 million views. It is insane. But yeah, I'm going to snag a few pictures and we'll see what happens after this. It's just a random vlog, something to film, you know. Alrighty guys, it is a few days later. It's Monday. I just got off work. I have a splitting migraine. There's not much to do this weekend, guys. I tried to make something, but here it is. You probably got a sweet little edit out of that to watch and enjoy. But man, there just wasn't much to do. But next weekend is going to be a fun-filled event. Like I said, there's a surprise coming with my buddy Tyler. A lot of you guys don't know what that means. Some of you do, some of you don't. But man, just wait. He went to Florida and he brought something home from Florida that I did not expect for him to bring home. I figured something like some souvenir from the beach or something. But this is one heck of a souvenir, and you guys are gonna be mind blown. I mean, like, I'm mind blown because I never expect. I mean, like, I expected him to get something similar, but not in Florida. But you guys will see this coming. Probably in next week, and I don't know why I said this coming, but next week, whenever, I don't know, I can never get my schedule right. But I'll do something real quick with Reaper before we take this video to the end. But yeah, we gotta get rid of this. I've been trying to get rid of this for like a week, so we're gonna go ahead and get rid of that because, you know, if you guys haven't seen the story, scroll through a few of my videos, you will see that they have screwed me over once again. They are ignoring my messages. I'm not even caring. I'm not even trying to message them anymore. I can probably fix the issue myself, but for now, I just really don't care. They're just fog lights. I paid 260 bucks for them, but it's whatever. I'm not worried about it anymore. I'm tired of stressing over it. But this has to go right now. So we're just going to go ahead and start peeling this off, which it came off really easily. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. Probably something fun with it. So yeah. And I just cleaned this car, and I don't know if you guys can really see the dust on it. It doesn't show up on camera at all. But just cleaned it, and it's already dusty from this freaking lane. But I'm going to grab some window cleaner from in here and take care of this outline. And guys, that's not even the window cleaner. I don't know why I grabbed that. Guys, this window cleaner is actually pretty good. It's actually streak free, and all the other window cleaners I use freaking leave streaks. I don't know why. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get rid of that little decal outline because that needs to go. Okay, so I've never had a decal come off that easy, but I used Mother's CMX, and I used it over top of that, and God, it just came right off. And it's easy. I mean, it just makes it easier to clean the car overall, but man, that's impressive. So guys, Mother's CMX is like the best ceramic spray, and it's only like $19 at Walmart. All it is is $24, but go to Walmart if you want it cheaper. And bam, now that is what I call an upgrade. And man, I must say I'm very happy with this blower. And huge, I gotta say it again, huge shout out to Kenny Bell. I asked him about like some decals. I asked him how much they cost, because I wanted this badge. I wanted to put it right here. So I asked him, I said, how much would that badge cost? Because I saw it inside my blower. So I figured he sold it. So I literally asked, and they said, what's your address? So I'm like, okay. I gave him my address, and I didn't hear anything back. So then I went down to the mailbox to get some mail, and he sent me 2 of those and 2 of those. Like, God, I didn't even buy the blower from them personally. I bought it used, and they know that. They didn't make any profit off me, but they know, well, I don't know why I said they know, but they sent me that anyways. Guys, their customer service is amazing. Seriously, if you want to boost your 2-valve, instead of going like an Eaton way, going with the Eaton blower, yes, it does have more of a whine, but if you seriously want something with good customer service, no hassle installation, a kit that comes with everything, go with Kenny Bell. Go with the 2.1 liter. It's the safest kit you can get for this car. Is only like 9 pounds of boost. You're going to be pushing around with 400 horsepower, which that is a big difference for this car. From 250 to 400, that is a good stretch, and that's, I'm sure this wasn't even pushing 250, more like 220 at the time. So guys, if you want to boost your car, go with Kenny Bell. Seriously guys, and if you go with Kenny Bell, tell them you sent me and show them my videos. I'm sure they've seen my videos already. But yeah guys, go with Kenny Bell. Their customer service is just the best part of that. Like I said, SW Lights, their customer service is absolute garbage. They do not want to help you when something goes wrong. But when something goes wrong with Kenny Bell, they will do anything to help you out. Alrighty guys, I got some editing to do, so I'm going to end the video off here. Trust me guys, there's going to be more content coming very soon, and it's going to be some awesome content. Like I said, Tyler brought home a surprise. I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait to just overall video it. You guys probably have the idea of what it is, but you probably have the idea of what it is and you don't at the same time. But take your guesses down in the comments. But man, I never expected him to come back with this from Florida. But yeah guys, like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.